Assalamu alaikum dear students. Hope you will be fine. So continuing the series of lectures, online lectures, today we are going to discuss texture. In the previous lecture we have discussed about atom and subatomic particles. In this lecture we have defined atom as a building block. Building block of matter. ठीक. After that we have discussed subatomic particles, in which we have defined this and this. This is electron, negatively charged particle. This is proton, positively charged particle. This is neutron, neutral particle. ठीक. And in atom, electrons are outside the nucleus, protons are inside the nucleus, neutrons are also inside the nucleus. Overall, the charge of an atom is neutral. We have discussed it. Electron was discovered by J.J. Thomson, proton was discovered by Goldstein, and neutron was discovered by Chadwick. So, in our present lecture, we are going to discuss texture. What texture is? If we are talking about in layman's language, texture means feel, how an object feels. What it means? When we are going to touch the object, what kind of sensation it produces. This is what texture. Actually, texture in layman's language means simply how the particles are arranged in the atom, and when we are going to touch them, what kind of feeling they are producing. This is texture. But texture is related to surface phenomena. जो टेक्सचर हमारा है ये रिलेट होता है किसके साथ? सरफेस फिनोमेना के साथ. यानी कि कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट अगर हमारे पास है, सपोज आई हैव गॉट द ब्रिक, आई एम गोइंग टू टच इट, व्हाट काइंड ऑफ फीलिंग इट प्रोड्यूसेस? In it, the feeling which it produces is nothing, it is simply a texture. Another example, I have got the iron. ठीक, I am going to touch it. What it produces? This is texture. Understand? So the constituent particles arranged in the matter produce different feeling, and this different feeling I may call it as a texture. Understand? It is simply the surface phenomena related to surface, and the feeling when we are going to touch these objects produced in us gives us the idea of what? Texture. This texture is broadly divided into two categories. First, real, virtual, visual. ठीक. जो हमारा ये टेक्सचर जो है इसको ब्रॉडली डिवाइड किया गया है किन हिस्सों में? दो हिस्सों में. पहले आपको टेक्सचर अंडरस्टैंड होना चाहिए. टेक्सचर है क्या? सिंपली फीलिंग कि जब हम किसी ऑब्जेक्ट को टच करें उसका बिहेवियर सॉफ्ट है क्या, हार्ड है क्या. ठीक. जो ये दो चीजें, जो ये दो क्राइटेरियाज है, किसके लिए है? टेक्सचर के लिए है. हम इसको सिंपली कह देंगे कि इस ऑब्जेक्ट का टेक्सचर सॉफ्ट है या हार्ड है। अब जो हमारा जो ये टेक्सचर है इसको डिवाइड किया गया है दो हिस्सों में, एक है रियल, दूसरा है यूजुअल। रियल के मतलब क्या है, मैंने अभी आपको बताया कि ब्रिक है, ठीक। आई एम टचिंग इट एंड आई एम ऑब्टेनिंग द फीलिंग। इज दिस फीलिंग रियल? यस। अनदर एग्जाम्पल इज यूजुअल। आई हैव फ्लावर्स, I am smelling them. The texture which I obtain is what? Usual. I am seeing it. I am feeling it. This is usual. So, texture is nothing. It is a surface phenomena. What is? It is simply a surface phenomena. For which the criteria of locating it is simply how the object behaves. Is it soft? Is it hard on touching? Understand? Second one, I have told that जो हमारा टेक्सचर है इसको ब्रॉडली डिवाइड किया गया है दो हिस्सों में। वन क्या है, एक है रियल, इसका दूसरा नाम भी है टेक्सटाइल, और यूजुअल। रियल में क्या है, जिसका रियल टेक्सचर हो, ऑन टचिंग द ऑब्जेक्ट वी आर प्रोड्यूसिंग द रियल फिनोमिना, ठीक। दूसरा है यूजुअल। यूजुअल मीन्स which has got only usualization. We can only usualize it, we can feel it, we cannot practically obtain it, ठीक। Okay.